Guess who just rolled up on me? Patriot Distributing. Check it out. About to pick up a couple of supplies. I need that orange vacuum attachment right there. Couple brushes. Oh, I already know what I need. I don't have to get in there because that's gonna make me spend more money than I want to spend today. Hold on. What's the difference in this one and that one? That one is shaped different, huh?
So you called the office, huh?
No, I sent them a message on Instagram. I follow them on Instagram. Yeah, I sent them a message on Instagram, and then they said, yeah, Toby works in your area, lives in your area.
I can fit to your mind.
Yep. That's the first thing I said. Man, that gotta be Toby, I know. Yes, sir. We got some of everything in here. As you can see. Oops. Car brake, select choice. Got that Technician Choice ceramic spray. That's what I'm getting right there. I need a gallon of that. I don't see it, but I hope it's in here. Oh, there it is down there hiding. Okay. Some more of that Miami Shine, that artist Miami Shine. Ooh, that's some good stuff right there. Yeah, so we got us some light now. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get us a couple brushes. Some of this Technician's Choice right here. We're gonna get that. You got more of these brushes up here at the top? Or you gotta take these down and sell these? I know I want that. I know you can't.
That's what they yelled at me the other day. They said, why you been loading out on me? Why you been 5 gallons?
How much is this wheel acid? This White Lightning? $19.95? $49 for 5 gallons? That's not bad. I'm on a strict budget today. Trust me. I'm trying to be anyway. See, you got to make me buy more than I want to buy. That's why I didn't want to get inside the truck. On that. And I don't know if I want, which one of these I want. What do I want? That one? Well, they're the same. Actually, I see now. Now that I'm up in here, they all shape the same. We're just gonna get that. You take that right there. And let's see. What else I need? Got the reach lights. That bad boy right there definitely works, I can tell you that. Right here.
I'm trying to get you on the spot. You can probably charge me $150, $175 for food. He said he got a guy, but the guy takes too long to read his call.
much these are. Definitely gonna check into that. How much are these boxes of gloves?
We have $19.95, but the other ones are $14.95 or $12.95.
Which ones?
Over there. You see that one that's sticking out right there? Straight on the right. See that XL?
Oh, okay. And then 14. Oh.
They've got that little stud in it. These are the black ones.
Oh, look at these. Let's see what else I need. Well, I guess that's probably it for the day. How much are these microfiber towels? 36 towels. How much are these?
$29.95.
29. Some nice plush ones too. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely pick up those on the next one. I just bought some towels last week. Oh man, y'all got it in the 5 gallons.
Yeah.
How much is that for the 5 gallons?
90.
90. That ain't bad. Cause how much is that? 40? That's 40, right?
Nope.
How much is that? How much is it?
Cheaper.
How much is it?
$29.95.
Oh, 30. 30 and 90. Woo. Nah, I ain't ready to get that. I'm just gonna get that one today. I'm gonna get that one today. When I run out, I'm gonna definitely spend that 90 though, I can tell you that. Man, it's worth it. It make them cars, I'm telling you. I don't know about that, but it might. It might. I mean, because it brightened it up so much that you can't see nothing else. So yeah, they got paint, or interior dye, vinyl dye, all different colors, everything. Leather and plastic cleaner, fabric protectant, carpet and upholstery shampoo. We got that Arctic's Miami Shine, pet control. Oh man, sneak away. We'll check that out on the next time. Yeah, that's it.
Come over here, give me some stuff. Come over here, buddy.
Ain't nothing like you getting a delivery. Look at that. Make a call, and they come right to you. It's nothing like it, buddy. Look at that.
Go ahead and say, call same day service.
Yes, sir. Same day service. 20-minute service. I don't know if it'll always be like that, but hey, can't beat that. But with that, I'm out, and I'll get back with y'all on the next one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take y'all on the outside, give y'all the number, so y'all can catch it. Patriot Distributing yourself. Patriot Distributing, as you can see, all the chemicals. If you're in the North Carolina area, they all over North Carolina. This is the number, 919-875-4900. No, I am not sponsored by them. No, they did not give me anything to shoot this video. But I decided to throw it together for you guys because this is a place where I cop some of my chemicals. But with that, I'm out, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Everything I picked up. Picked up these Ignite Nitrile gloves. I picked up these brushes. This is a pretty stiff bristle brush to get in those cup holders. Sometimes around those seat posts, things of that nature. And I got a small one, the hard end, as well as the very soft end. This is the hard one. We also got us this crevice tool. I think it's called Mr. Crevice. Got us a wheel brush. And of course, we got this ceramic detail spray. And we got that drying cloth, or drying shadow. But that's all we got off the truck for this time. Stay tuned to the next video. We're gonna show y'all a little more of what we got. But let's get it.